Under carefully controlled and monitored conditions, tests for silica exposure in milling machine operations were conducted at the old Marquette County Airport. In order to gather meaningful test data, it was necessary to keep the milling machines running continuously during each test run. A coordinated method of truck flow that allowed minimum backing of trucks with maximum production was decided upon. Since this method not only improves productivity, but also makes for a safer work site, it reinforces the principle that safety is not an afterthought. It is integral to the job.
Everyone stay from behind the trucks, please. The worst thing we can do is have a test like this and then have any injury, so please stay from behind the trucks.
It is always important to remind workers in advance of hazards at the work site. Since most accidents occur when workers get in the blind spots behind trucks or other equipment, particularly while they are backing up, eliminating backup can significantly reduce the potential for injury and fatalities on a job site. Little stopping or backing up is necessary using this method.
The big thing is we don't want the machines to stop in their 2,300 foot pass. We like them to stay moving and not waiting on trucks. It's just a matter of don't stop the machine, swing the conveyor, and wait for that truck to get in place again. Just keep moving that conveyor from truck to truck, keep those trucks side by side.
Trucks enter the work site pulling well ahead of the milling machine. Assume a position that is approximately parallel to the truck being loaded and mirror that truck's speed. When the truck that is being loaded is directed, it pulls well ahead of milling machine operations and veers off toward the dump site. The conveyor moves from the departing truck to the truck that has been running parallel, and loading of this truck begins. If the milling machine operator so directs, this truck adjusts his position and speed, all in an effort to keep the milling machine moving safely ahead and in line without slowdown or unexpected changes of direction. When a new truck pulls alongside of the truck being loaded, the truck being loaded maintains a safe distance from this new truck while keeping careful eye contact with the milling machine operator. Remember, the milling machine operator is responsible for safety. He is also responsible for monitoring and adjusting the operation of the milling machine to satisfy the requirements of the assigned job. So, be ready and alert for his signals. Hand signals and horn honks by the milling machine operator are the usual means of coordination for safe truck movement. Make certain you are familiar with these signals so that no confusion will occur.
You just have to get your truck drivers first thing in the morning and explain to them what you're doing. Once they learn how to do it, it works just like clockwork. When we're out there milling on the regular highway, we'll get our trucks lined up side by side so we can change trucks without stopping the rotomill. So we'll have one under the conveyors, and once we get it full, then we'll turn the conveyor off, swing it over to the truck that's running right alongside of him. He'll work his way back under the conveyor, and then the next truck will pull up beside him, and we'll just do that all day. Your production stays up very high because you're not stopping. If you stop every time you change trucks to get water, you've lost 15 or 20 loads a day.
This innovative and efficient method proves that safety with maximum production is realizable and practical. Is it safer to do it that way, do you think?
I think so, because everybody knows what we're doing. They know the trucks are up there and they're running side to side, so everybody's paying attention and watching.
It will not always be possible on a construction site to safely run trucks side by side. But when it is possible, if workers keep trucks in front of them, avoid truck and equipment blind spots, and there is little backing of trucks on the site, then this side-by-side method is efficient, productive, and safe.
You can mill or pave as fast as you want to, but the trucks control how fast you do it. It's pretty simple.